Let's get it.
Thank you for calling Penske Truck Leasing, located in South Holland, Illinois. For the rental department, please press 1. For the service department, please press 2. For administration.
Thank you for calling Penske. This is Jada speaking.
Hi, may I speak to an account rep?
The finance department?
No, renting. I'm curious about renting a
Yeah, this is the rental counter. I can help you.
I'm curious. I'm starting a new business, and I'm curious about rates for a 26-foot box truck with a lift gate.
Yeah, I can make you a quick quote, and I can give you direct pricing.
Sure, I'd really like that.
Okay, what's your first and last name?
My name is Carlos. Last name is Rodriguez.
And what's the business name?
Get It Out the Mud Trucking LLC.
And you've never rented with us before, right?
No, ma'am. I'm starting a new box truck business.
Okay. And then do you want just like the weekly rate or daily rate?
I plan on keeping it long term. So I heard something. I have a mentor, and he told me something about a 60-day rate lock in. Is that a thing, or was he just telling me?
Well, if you are looking for like keeping it long term for months, you would have to speak to our sales rep. He's currently not here, but I can give you his email and his phone number. Just because I can give you a monthly rate as well, but just depending on how long you're looking to keep it, there's certain prices also that he goes by.
So would he give me better prices, or would it be the same?
It just depends. It depends on how long term you're looking to keep it.
Well,
so you really
I plan on staying in business, but I'm going to be honest with you. I do plan on transitioning out, but maybe 6 to 12 months.
Yeah. So he would have to. He might give you like a yearly rate.
Well,
that's just something you would have to speak with him about.
What would the weekly rate look like then? Because I'm really trying to get things going. This money's burning a hole in my pocket. I really want to get things going. I got everything set up. I'm ready to go.
Okay. So the weekly rate would be $910.
Whoa, is that the best? He was telling me something about an average about 5.
That's why I meant. Yeah, you would. That's why you have to speak to the sales rep. He's the one that would break down that for you.
Okay, what's his name?
His name is Chance. I'm gonna provide you with his email and his phone number. Just let me know when you're ready.
Give me 1 second. Is the phone number like a cell phone where I can call him directly, or is it like?
I believe this is like his work cell phone.
All right, give me a second. Let me pull that up here. Chance. All right, she said Chance. All right, what's his number?
Yes. It's 773. And I will also suggest emailing him.
Okay.
You might get a quicker response with the email. Just let me know when you're ready for that.
Sure, what's his email? Okie dokie. I'll give Mr. Chance a call.
All righty.
Thank you so much. What was your name again? What was your name again?
My name is Jada.
Thank you, Jada.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Jada sounded a little decent, didn't she? Yeah, Big Mark might have to pull up out there in Penske and do a little inquiry. All right, do we call this? Hold on, let me call the one over in Worth. Man, we don't want to blow. We call this other one real quick, though.
Thank you for calling Penske Truck Leasing, located in Bedford Park, Illinois. For the rental department, please press 1. For the service
Thank you for calling Penske. Would you mind being placed on a brief hold?
Sure.
Thank you.
At Penske, we appreciate your business. Whether renting a truck or managing a large fleet, your satisfaction is our priority.
Thanks for choosing Penske. This is Evan. How can I help you?
Hi, Evan. How you doing? I'm calling to see if I can get an inquiry for a rental of a box truck.
You said you wanted to get an inquiry, or?
Yeah, I mean, I want to inquire as far as pricing is concerned.
Yeah. Do you have a rental account set up with us, or would this be your first time?
First time, new business owner.
Okay. New business owner? Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. And then what type of trucks were you looking for?
26-footer, lift gate, preferably.
Okay. Let me see. Alrighty. So you're a new business owner?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Congratulations. What's
Thanks.
the name of that business?
Get It Out the Mud Trucking, LLC.
Gotcha. What are you guys doing for business?
OTR box trucker. I'm just starting as an owner-operator, so I'll be out there on the road just driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Alrighty. So currently for the 26s, assuming you're looking at keeping these like longer term if you're doing over-the-road work, so I can give you weekly pricing. So per week, we bill at $910 per week, and then we're currently billing at 30 cents per mile.
Wow. Is that the best you can do? I got a mentor somewhere like between $500 to $650 a week.
So we can definitely work with you on the pricing. We actually have a new process as far as setting up new commercial accounts where we no longer are able to handle it at the branch level. Instead, I can send you a link and I can have you fill that out. And then once you complete and submit that form, that gets sent to our corporate account creation team. They'll just need about 24 hours to look over all the information on your account, and then they'll get back to us letting us know if you're approved to rent. And then from there, once we get your account set up and approved, I can get you into contact with one of our sales reps to kind of negotiate these prices down with something that works for you.
Wow. That's a lot. My mentor didn't say it. This was the process. This must be something.
No, this is a pretty brand new process for us that just got rolled out this month. Apologies. Just give me 1 second. Sorry about that.
Yeah. Okay. Can I inquire why? Is it just people mishandling equipment? So you got just stricter,
Yeah, I mean, it's really a corporate decision, so they didn't give us too much insight as to what their reasoning is. But if I had to guess, it's probably just another way to minimize risk and just, provide further background checks and balances on the people that we run our trucks to.
Okay. So the best price that you could give me would be about $900 a week, 30 cents a mile.
No, I mean, we could certainly work lower than that. I just don't want to give you a number because what the process is if we get you to complete that form and then get your account approved, I would pass you along to our sales rep, Armando, where he would take over the negotiation of the rates. So we can certainly do a lot better than these rates. These are just the rates that we have for anybody who calls in. But, given what your mentor said kind of in that price range, I just don't want to speak out of tongue and offer you something that Armando can't. But I'm certain that we could come to an agreement on the rates and, come to a price point that works for everybody.
Okay. All right. So are you going to email it to me?
Yep. Yeah. If I can just get a good email address from you, I'll send that over.
Mark. I'm going to send it to the, and then at GT MDAC trucking at gmail.com.
Okay, perfect. Alrighty. Just to read that back, that was Mark at GTMDAC trucking. Or sorry, was it Mark dot JTMDA?
Mark at.
And so that's just the .com. Is the
No.
GTM
At Gmail. The
okay, so there's two ads.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. All right, perfect. So yeah, I'll send this over to you. It'll just be the link at the bottom of the email that you'll click on to start filling out the inquiry form. And then once you submit it, it just takes up to 24 hours for us to hear back from the corporate team. And then once we hear back, we'll reach out, letting you know what they say.
Okay. And then maintenance.
Mm-hmm.
Like that's included in the cost, right? Of the rent.
Yeah. So I mean, like any like upkeep maintenance on the truck, we do what's called preventative maintenance on the units every 60 to 120 days, depending on the unit type. Mm-hmm. We're essentially looking at oil change, tires, basically anything that goes into the truck that's mechanical to make sure that it's working properly. Sorry, just give me one more second. Sorry about that. Yeah. But yeah, we handle all the like general maintenance stuff that you would do on the truck. The only thing that you would be responsible for if it were to happen would be damage, and that would be dependent on the type of insurance that you have on file.
Right. So, but the maintenance that you guys do, that's included in my rental cost, right?
Yeah. I mean, we don't bill anything specifically for the maintenance.
Yeah, it's baked in. It's baked in. I'm pretty sure you're a profitable business. It's baked in. I'm pretty sure to probably the mileage. Mm-hmm. There? You there still?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm here.
Yeah, I was saying it's probably just baked into the cost that you charge me. I'm assuming.
I guess. I'm not really too sure how they work out the pricing, but for us, we just bill off. It's going to be like either the weekly or daily rate and then whatever miles you incur as well.
All right. Gotcha, man. I'll wait so I can fill that out for you.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll send it over right now for you, okay?
Talk to you soon. Thanks.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Well, looks like y'all done fucked it up for future box truck runners with Penske. They getting stricter and stricter and stricter. They getting stricter and stricter and stricter. Ooh, they making it tough. They making it tough. Y'all done fucked it up. This is what I'm saying. This is the renters, man. The renter, the way they treat us, they treat it like a hustle. So now they have to mitigate. They doing more things to eliminate the risk and the cost. Like they gonna always make sure you pay for it. They're going to always make sure you pay for it. See, now back in the day when I was renting, the mindset was a little bit different. The people that were coming into business had a totally different mindset. We didn't have a hustle mentality. We had more business mindset. We treated people's things like they were our own. And literally you would just go in and say, hey, I want to rent a truck. They'd say, all right, how much? We'll give you a truck. We'll do a walk around, $450 a week. 1,500 free miles, 12 cents a mile. Simple as that. None of this extra shit. Now you see as time goes on, they get stricter and stricter and stricter.